Top 10 study hacks every finance accounting student needs to know. Did you know your brain can forget up to 50% of what you study within an hour if you don't revise the right way? That's right. Studying without a strategy is like filling a leaky bucket. You pour in effort, but most of it drains away. What if you could plug those leaks and study smarter, not harder? In this video, I'm sharing 10 powerful study hacks that help you retain more, revise smarter, and score higher. Some of them are backed by science and some by sheer genius. So stick around, let's begin. Hack 1. The 80-20 rule. Study what matters most. Ever felt like you're studying everything but not scoring enough? That's where the Pareto principle comes in. It says 80% of your results comes from 20% of your efforts. Why this works? Instead of treating all topics equally, focus on the ones that carry the most marks. You will make faster progress with less stress. How to use it? Check past exam papers, identify high-weighted chapters. Prioritize these topics in your study plan. This is smart work over hard work. And if this already helped you, why not hit that subscribe button for more tips like this? Hack 2. The Feynman technique. Teach to learn. Tried explaining a topic to a friend and suddenly understood it better? That's the Feynman technique in action. Why it works? If you can't explain something in simple words, you haven't fully grasped into it. This method forces clarity and deeper learning. How to use it? Pick a topic, say deferred tax liability. Explain it like you're teaching a 10-year-old. Struggling? That's your cue to revise and simplify again. This way, you're not just memorizing, you're actually learning. Hack 3. The Pomodoro technique. Study in short bursts. Think long study hours help? Think again. Your brain actually works better in short focus sessions. Why it works? Long hours lead to fatigue. Short bursts keep you fresh and focused. How to use it? Study for 25 minutes, no distractions. Take a 5-minute break. Repeat 4 times, then take a longer 15-minute break. Bonus tip, try apps like Forest or Pomodoro to stay on track. Hack 4. Active recall. Test yourself, don't just read. Just reading your notes, that feels productive, but it's not. Why it works? Active recall trains your brain to retrieve information, which strengthens memory. How to use it? Read a topic, close the book, and write or say what you remember. Check what you missed and review it. Repeat until you can recall confidently. This method is backed by brain science for long-term retention. Hack 5. Use mnemonics. Make it stick. Struggle with remembering accounting terms? Use mnemonics. Simple memory tricks. Why it works? Your brain remembers unusual, funny, or weird things more easily. Example, use dealer for debits and credits, dividends, expenses, and assets. Liabilities, equity, revenue, credit. Make your own mnemonics. The sillier, the better. Hey, if this tip helps, hit subscribe for more hacks like this. Hack 6. Practice, don't just read. Reading gives you a false sense of confidence. Practicing gives you real confidence. Why it works? In subjects like finance and tax, application is everything. Solving problems builds speed, clarity, and exam readiness. What to do? Solve 5 to 10 problems daily. Review your mistakes and keep improving. This turns passive knowledge into an active skill. Hack 7. Create mind maps. Visualize connections. Long paragraphs is equal to boring. Mind maps is equal to fun and fast revision. Why it works? Visual learning helps your brain see patterns and connections. Example, studying financial statements, create a mind map connecting balance sheet, P&L, and cash flow with key components. This method saves revision time and boosts clarity. Hack 8. Study in intervals. Space it out. All-night cramming, not effective. Spaced learning wins. Why it works? Your brain needs time to absorb and rest. Studying in short sessions across the day prevents burnout and boosts memory. Try this. Study in 3 slots, morning, afternoon, and evening. Even short sessions help, as long as they are consistent. Hack 9. Reverse learning. Start from the end. Instead of reading theory first, try this. Start with past papers and mock tests. Why it works? You'll know instantly which questions are repeated, what the exam expects, how to structure your answers. This saves time and makes your study more goal-focused. Hack 10. Be consistent and take care of yourself. Even the best hacks won't work without consistency. And you can't focus if you're unwell. Why it works? Your brain functions best when you're well rested, hydrated and fueled with the right food. What to do? Stick to a daily routine. Eat brain foods, nuts, fruits, dark chocolate. Sleep 6 to 7 hours. Drink enough water. Balance is key to success. You're not a robot, you're human. Take care of yourself. Which of these hacks are you already using and which one are you trying next? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly study tips, productivity tricks and career advice you won't want to miss. See you in the next one.